Alright, big up on yourself. It's your boy Giovanni Brown. If you are new, hit that subscribe button, like and share the video up. And don't forget, comment, because we want to hear what other thing. As you guys know, we just went through a hurricane. So we are trying to really post back some movie because we are trying to put in some work for this month.
Wait. And all them shoes them and all have a nice summer. Hey, who want Kim already upside, you know? Yeah, man. What go on, my general?
Are you for telling me now what go on with you?
Yo, my day, you know, my boss, my day, and I Gideon, man, me here, say I go on good upside, you know, my G.
Yeah, man, it sound look like it's hot down there.
Look, boy, me I tell you, say I want wicked piece of heat to take with, but you know, no matter what that still, you know, I'm just glad to see how things are going, you see me, and ready enough for your thing are still. Kawacha. Me just look down for my foot in a general and look on that foot here, you know, and I say, yo, it need a clocks pan it, you know. Big man thing, you know. Me I look on the two short of 2 clocks settings, you see it.
Hold on. I was saying away again.
A 10.5, man. A small mats, man. Yeah, man. One of them bad wallabies, them general. Yo, you don't know the thing, you know, cause you don't know if you know wear clocks, you know, them, you know, not go on for in a certain which way, you know. And watch it now, no. Me a size medium shirt, you don't know, say, some bad, hey, you don't know. I never have to tell you about the shirt, them still, I just want you to deal with 2 clocks and, well, 1 clock still and couple shirts, you see me? And that you don't know as a brother, cause you don't know a simple master face still, you know, cause I know say, I go on with the thing up there, you know.
Hold on. You me say now, see?
Eh.
I understand, say, 2 weeks time me a forward, you know. And
2 weeks
just
time.
say,
2 weeks time. 2 weeks. Yeah.
make sure you come forward and pick me up at the airport. You know what I say?
Wait, I mean you want to come pick you up?
Yeah, you want to come pick me up at the airport.
Yo, just cool.
Can't arrange.
A simple thing that, man. Yeah, man. So you say, oh, I'm rent a vehicle and come pick you up.
Do as you please, but come, you know, the forward and pick me up.
1, 2, that my general, man. Just send the money forward, man, through Western Union. I'm going to deal with that easy, max.
But that's it.
Yeah, man.
Don't worry yourself.
Yeah, man, they have to send the funds, man. So every, who knows say you forward?
Really and truly, you know. How me I do it, you know, for my woman is a surprise for she, you know.
Yo, that girl I love you, you know.
What's the door, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, I got surprise her, man.
Yeah, man. I think, you know what I mean? I think she deserve a big surprise from our prize, you know? And I'm the prize.
Yeah, man, she get a prize, man.
So me I said, just make sure you stay forward and pick by airport. They're going to send you the information, the time and everything. But in a 2 weeks, me I forward. So just make sure you line up everything, all right, sir?
Yeah, man, as long as I send and as soon as I send the money, man, a simple thing that, man.
All right, no worries. No worries, sir. We got match up, man. All right?
All right,
Big
big
up
brother.
yourself.
Yeah, man, big up.
Yeah, what time is it in Jamaica now?
After 5, you know, still, is it?
All right, cool. Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Ah, brother. Surprise. I have a surprise for you. I want to say, I'm mean at them belly there. You feel like. As a matter of fact, I go and link Brittany right now and go tell her what I go on. Think man, I idiot. You have so much follower, B.
Well, people just see me and like me, so why not?
Alright, that's still. You know the girl then? No worry, no.
You know where I'm from, so I don't quite remember where.
See her there. What's on, man? So, your boy not tell you what him about.
No, when I tell me when my phone, you tell me say it's a surprise, and you just can't wait.
Surprise.
Yeah, surprise. Me like surprises and something, you know, yeah.
B, I want to tell you. You know, say I play the man I play you. What make him no want to tell you, B? Because the man no want to carry nothing for you.
I know that, you know, so me like surprise, so you need to make me happy.
Babes, I carry the man no want to carry nothing for you. And that's why I do what I do.
No, I care nothing, but he always bring things to me.
So I'm tell me when my father and don't tell you and you are him woman.
You tell her when my phone.
See it? That you never know.
Well,
Me mash up that surprise there.
listen, maybe no one surprise you, want surprise me. So you never tell me like
Man.
I feel like you not
I
gonna
start
tell me.
but they might carry things to me. Cause I tell him what me want, you know. And I have to bring that.
Remember say you're my friend, right? You're my friend.
Yeah,
So eventually he will bring something for you and he will tell you when I forward. He want to surprise me, so he never tell me when I bring for me or when he come.
surprise you be at.
So
Tell him man
chill.
want tell us say how
Yeah,
no one bring nothing for you.
You know, say, me like the fact that I bring up, say, it might come though, because
Wow.
you can't get to cool off a certain thing, little, because, you know, so when in there you're a different song.
What be? But now I'm tell you. The man left forget bun straight out. I want them to nah girl, you're better than them man. And me and you for the straight up, you know.
Listen, if Kemar there, we can't go do this because eventually I'm going to find out.
So don't left you for left the boy, man. And me, if you're you, if you're dealing a be. You're going like I say a joke thing this be, I want to you. The man then rate you like how I rate you, the man they chat to you all behind your back, you know, the man work the man they come to me and tell me things, you know.
So, look here, me know him, me never come from far. Me not think I'm going to leave him just like that. It's somebody me don't really know quite a long like coming on.
B, are the real man this a talk to you. Man nah do your dirt, man nah do your bad.
So, me say something to you.
You think so me could have go work?
Hey, if you're your own best friend, but you want to bring anybody for it,
Yo.
if you know a relationship now, what you do now, like sleep with a best friend woman, why you want to cheat on me? Tell me why.
I cheat on you because I love you, B.
Love.
Watch you know, man. The man, you see how long the man go, he got foreign. Him send for you. If me did there for him, would have sent for you. Alright, and me should have do up there, you know.
He have things I deal with, have other business deals, more than family.
Things that deal with, are you am a priority. Are you want to make sure say me and you make bread. You would have to fly out already, B.
Listen, number one, if you not bring up my mother first, how the hell am I bring up my lady? The mother, I always put your mother first. That's a number one.
Nobody,
so when you talk right now, crap, you get me?
Okay, you know, see the bigger picture and be, and me have to do because I'm me would have carry up. You know, so hey, I mean I tell you say you should all pray for that, you know.
You don't carry me up and you can bring up yourself. Wow.
So, yo, that's cool, man.
No, that's not you really have to be nice, man, because
Video.
trust me.
Yo, I want you want some more food or buy the grocery them in this, you know. Get something for drink out of the fridge, you know. I think so them fridge I can stock up some man and drink down that before man forward.
So what you want me to do?
No, man, I go get it myself, man. I serve myself, man. You know what I mean? Okay, go give man a little bit of juice, enough food and juice, man, want out of that.
Look here, but that's the reason why I'm behaving like this.
Yeah. What you do ya? Realize, me just all realize that me there, but how me have the same day?
Oh, boss said me work good, you know. So boss give me a special day today. Still up him for the day still.
What you mean get special? That mean you go work Saturday?
No, Saturday I'm day off, same way.
So you get 2 days?
Because he say, man, his wife I gonna run off today. So me just take a day, you know, relax.
Man.
That's why you have to work good. And top sit down and watch work.
Yo, me and you not supposed to have the same day off, brother. You're supposed to get a different day cause and I study things.
And that me not like with you. But anyway, what going on for here, boy?
My boy, who you at?
When him again?
Came here at?
Yeah, overseas. Oh,
Alright, no man. The man the bread butter 2 sides.
no, I don't understand what you're trying to say now. Why him bread butter two side? That more I know.
Why the man that they are find a farm fool of themselves, brother? That me
No,
I tell you.
they're not working, man, and work big money over there.
Which work? And me should have there over there, sir. Yo, you tell you something, no know what go on, you know. You say,
No.
you know, that me get all them opportunity there.
No.
Me show you how Benz and them thing the skate pan toll. Yo.
No, you can't think about that sometime in a life. When you see people over there work, you know, kind of work them and do, they have it hard sometimes, like how we out here. All over there make more money faster than here, you know, 'cause Jamaica just want like a jail cell.
Right, no, a joke, man.
Yeah,
Let me tell you, say, anyone did me get the opportunity where I should have me. Make me ever get it. Or make God ever reverse it. And you see, if I not me, it would have been done in my place right now.
So why you want God reverse theme opportunity? We can never say God should have make you and him go at the same time.
No, man, me first. Me first I got you.
Really, no?
Yeah.
You first?
Yeah, you know what I mean? So now show him, I set the way, I pave the way, I make him see what I go on and how things really go on. So when time me do it now, him can follow what me do after.
No, man, your heart cold, man.
No, but that's the things.
No.
Talk about cool, brother.
Your heart cold, so you can't think so.
Brother.
And also you do things.
Well,
Right now, I bet him buy things carry down for you.
Then you must have to buy down things carry down for me.
Same thing, see,
Yeah,
a good
man. I order one clocks and tell him to carry down some other things, because you don't know, I want to add clocks in the summer here, you know.
No, you know the man pocket. You know the man pocket here, other clocks.
What I mean by, him do up there long enough. A clocks me want and a clocks me have to carry that come. And I have to carry other things too.
You can't demand the man why he carry.
Then if him not carry it, then someone know say him bad mind.
How?
Someone know say him bad mind. Because if him don't carry it, someone know say him not rate bad man. And then for sure you say, oh, and me should have up there, because I know say if me did up there and ask me for something, but I carry it for him.
No, alright, I said if me did up there too. I say that thing about me too.
No, but if you carry for me, if you carry it.
Yeah, but you know, all the while a man can go out foreign and come back with expensive things. You couldn't ask a man for one of sandals.
Where sandals I go? As someone now in my general clocks have it on foot.
That's why you have to ask your sandals because heat I go kill you in the shoes.
No, man. Yo, brother, you ever see?
No, that man.
You ever see clocks I flap out yet?
You go melt.
Hot shoes, man.
It's a cheese underneath the bottom.
That's cool, man. Them girls love the clocks, brother. And my beats have it up. I want to think him can come here at Jamaica and me look flap and him to look hot. I have to look hot too. So him have to carry hot things to me. I want to
you know, say you're not going to reach far if I say you continue to go along.
A joke thing you talk about, man. I saw the thing for God, brother. I want to
listen, me, Virgin. The man up there working at the snow, right? All you have to do is beg him man to look sandals and say, respect. Even if you carry a lollipop, come here.
Come get who? You can't up there work so hard so long and carry some lollipop and sandals come give me. My youth, man have to run funds, I want to you. Yo, things have to run. Yo, you see as a matter of fact, that's why man have to deal with them. I mean, you see me?
No. Rephrase what you just said a while ago.
No, man, watch
out.
out.
You have to deal with the man, woman.
No, I never. That me say, no. Me say man there with him girl. I never say.
What make you hate the man, so?
I don't hate. Me just tell you, say I should have me.
Yo.
I need it for up there, you know. That me I tell you, you know. Yo, that's cool, man. Right now, me I tell you, that nice if I'll meet you up there, you know, brother. Because me now start sending them couple big shirts and couple big shoes.
Oh, you are talking about it. You know, remember for me.
What you talking about, brother? A long time you drive, man. I want to tell you. That's what me I tell you, say, oh, me are the real link.
No, listen. Every man blessing take a while to come, so you have to just wait upon your blessing. If a 20 years from now, you will get your blessing.
Which 20 years? Man, now wait so long, man. I want to tell you. Before someone me go feed man and carry my car and go.
Right, you know, me have a whole heap of stress on my hand because my hand to pass and I have to wait till all we are next week.
Yeah, that rough still no was. A rough thing. So now cope.
Rough man, and me all I burden the pan.
Are you alone the burden the pan?
Me alone. In Pitney them, they are foreign, none of them. I'm calling them out tell me say, and me there with her and me, she used to spend
rough
pan.
still no me general. So all of the things them have to buy up on them sitting there, you have to go foot all like a bill.
Yeah, but me talk to boss, see me can, you know, get look at something from him, but the boy and me.
Yeah, man, talk to boss, man.
Talk
to bossy. Yeah, him can probably do a thing for you. But big man thing. I know he kind of rough still, but still I want a thing, you know. Yeah, man.
Really? You know, say you want dirty friends.
With what?
You know, after me have my situation, I couldn't tell me Later.
No man, but she done dead already. Me I help her come. Me I help her dig the grave, you know.
Listen, me no want better one
I
no
went
help.
a tomb digging.
Me no better one no help. You?
What? Where you going, sir?
So, hold on. You not pay me. You
Pay
not
for.
pay me.
Pay for my boss. Have enough money, you know.
No,
Come
listen,
see,
you
man. Can watch
can't.
for look something, look simple, look something, man.
You
Come see.
can't do that.
What you mean by me can't do it?
You can't.
You see nothing? Boss, you do some work, no man. And stop watch me.
I see you give me extra, you get knocked. Bossy.
What going?
Boy, I'm not from off the test, you know, bossy. You know
What
what
going?
You know what I mean? Oh boy. You know what I mean? Anti pass off though.
Why, oh boy, me here, I go on still. You might not feel me here, but me here, I go on. My condolences, sir, you know.
Yeah, but sir, I'm me one of the hard, you know, bossy.
Oh, okay.
Me every pressure lay on pan. You see me I do double without a time to do double. Yeah, because I really and truly want would have asked if you could have helped me with a bag of chicken though.
A bag of chicken.
Yeah, even that would I appreciate it.
You know, so me not have no problem with that. I mean, you work here long enough.
Oh.
I don't find a problem with you. You do what you say, and you're on time, you're punctual. So, a bag of chicken, you sure say that alone you want? You don't want nothing more?
No, me good with the bag of chicken. Cause that even if I did one you give me, you know, but I'm grateful for it.
All right. Well, I love your honesty. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to provide you with that. All
No,
right?
but me can't carry home today, no.
Eh?
Can't carry home today.
You can't come in today?
No, me can't carry home today. Me not no fridge, bossy.
Oh.
Yeah, me not no fridge.
Okay.
Me
Well,
can't.
what you do, you make sure, say, on the appointed day, that there
Me
is a
can't take it,
case
right?
of chicken here for you. So, even if the stock is down, make sure you put that aside and that is yours.
Alright,
Okay?
so when you're ready, me just take up here and go.
Right. But, you know the protocol, so don't worry about it. Anyway, I noticed they keg them mostly empty one, missing here, so the truck never come.
No, the truck no come. Me have to go ask for my bridge in it.
All right.
Uh,
Well, anyway, I do have a problem.
yeah.
So with you, all right, my condolences, sir.
Alright.
You hear me?
Yeah.
All right, no worry, man.
Alright.
Just put it aside, man.
And thank you, bossy. And may your food basket never run empty.
Yeah, man. Just, just continue doing your work.
Yeah, bossy.
All right, cool. Yeah. Come on, baby. Run like a square. Someone else. Oh, I'm not in a car right now.
can't believe for Rupert doing this again.
I know, I'm ready for it. I don't know. Alright.
Rupert, Rupert.
So how you reach her?
That is the magical question right now. So they're supposed to come pick me from the airport. Weren't you supposed to pick me up at the airport,
So
Rupert?
you get the news.
What kind of news?
Yo, we ask it, brother. One time I rent the car, me there for care about the car, cause Barrel come. And Barrel say, oh, no driving up and down, cause be a breeze and water go flow.
What mean, Barry? What are you talking about?
You know, Beryllium, my youth, the Beryllium, a forward man, and then say, oh, a category 5 it there. So, we them take back all our vehicle, my general. I saw come in and reach
And
your foot.
Hurricane barely attack. Jesus, alright.
Yeah, man, that's the same one there.
Rupert.
But that's something saying, even not forward, car. You know?
Rupert, everything organized and Hurricane and reach until such time. And I
Yeah.
can't believe you lose contact with me in such a way where me I feel that take. You know how hard it is for reach a bus me take.
JPS the light, I go for you.
Rupert, why you always give me all these excuses at all times?
No, tell me what I go on, man.
No. You tell me like say I'm supposed to understand. Say you say you left me in the cold again.
No, man,
Eh?
no, man, remember you left it cold from up, so man, I had water here now.
Me have a friend like that, you know. And even though you left me like, yo, we're not supposed to argue nothing right now, but
No,
it's
man,
because
I
you,
said them something, man. No, man.
it's because you asking for clocks and two shirts. Still have the good mind to catch some stuff come give. And you put a hold and put on my bag them too.
So that's why the recite no come. Okay, yeah, man.
Why you look like well,
Hold on there. So the wallaby in our next bag.
see clocks you ask for them. You read it? You can't read it properly? A clocks that. And them the things that rock for summer. You ever know that?
Them yeah.
Yeah, ever check online and see what go on and that's the new hip thing. Yeah. That's summer gears. Yeah.
I this I carry. Alright.
Oh, you sound like you don't appreciate this already.
No, man. Big up yourself, man. I want to you, man. Everything.
You're not supposed to even forward as a company.
No,
I
man.
just
A simple man's that, man. So you say I go where?
I forgot taste because I go check my mom. You know what I mean?
Alright then, come up. Me have one pot pan fire there. You see it?
Yeah, man, you know, I'm gonna spend like I'm a girlfriend you talk about.
Yeah.
No, I spend 2 days, my mother and thing and get back my serenity because she's kind of the person who keep me steady, you know what I mean? Being away, she bring me back to the full of grace. So I spend some time with mother first.
So she don't know say you're forward yet.
That my girl. Me I tell you, a surprise, bro. You come back in
Surprise.
the hear me say.
A surprise indeed.
Yeah. So me go fall back, 2 days time and link up my girlfriend and thing. I wish I get her. Yes, sir.
Alright, yeah, man. Really take man feed that, sure. Rupert! Hey, Rupert! What up, mommy?
Come here, sir.
What going? Where are you?
How could I cause this? And I am live. Me no live here, so.
Mommy, I don't mean it
Look
like
here,
that.
nobody go that way there. Who for them and something I want me to go and sit through down on the veranda?
I came our Angie son carry them come give man. I don't know what them there.
What you mean when you say you don't know what them they?
Mommy, I'm tear mommy man. You see them sitting there all broke them man. Man, they are foreign and make whole heap of money and I go on with one bag of things and carry them they come give man. So let's show you back out the door, you know.
Oh, your son, so?
Oh.
Like you not appreciate how your friend bring for you.
Mommy, I'm tell you, man. Man, I want good money are foreign.
But Rupert, you always a go on with yourself. You don't know how hard him have to work over there to carry this to you. You should appreciate it. Tell him thanks and everything.
Tell his son see that. How that for somebody carry for somebody? I
Rupert,
bet I did me they are foreign.
you know say, from your small, but they tell you say, you're a very, very much ungrateful little boy until you get big. You're still ungrateful. Why you so ungrateful, Rupert? Rupert, a time for you start appreciate what people done for you. You know the kind of hard work them way man have to do over there for get things come give you. You know much people which people work and send things come give them and you they act like I say, oh God, you act like you don't appreciate it. You're ungrateful, me not tell you no
I
lie.
appreciate what? What that? What is that to be appreciative about?
Rupert,
Man,
you're my son and I know so me grow you. Me sure say I saw me grow you. So me no know how you have them your dirty style in your scene way from your little come straight up. I must say dirty papa you take off her. Because I could never me.
Mommy, you finish? Don't talk? Come here watch my ball game and I want to get back to it. You know.
One.
You can throw down that back over there, sir. Brittany. Brittany.
Me a come.
Hurry up and come out of the house, man.
I want me to hear beat on your door, sir.
Where you man? Where you man come here?
You mean if my man not link me, my man there Jamaica?
Yo, focus, man. You mean by if your man there, Jamaica? How about this, sir? Eh? Me tell the man to carry one clocks, one wallaby clocks, come give me. How about this, sir?
My man here talk.
Focus, man. Me tell the man to carry one wallaby clocks, one of the things them we wear right now. And look when carry come give, man.
So with man there Jamaica?
Come to the girl, man. Focus on the shoes, man. And this me a talk about. And this is how him say me carry come about a clocks. How can a clocks? A clock that...
Listen, a clocks I get. Yo, them here wear now, you know? And them here are wear.
Oh, they may look like Jesus did a wear them in them days. Them. Oh, look at man, yo, nobody know wear them there again be.
You mean, look here, listen. Listen.
That man foolish is
The reason why, listen man, the reason why you not see nobody here wear them as here Jamaica is because they can't afford it. You're lucky see you get one of them here clocks, you come and chat about a clock.
Look on all this. You talk about that. I don't want that.
They no
Look
good
on all
shirt,
this.
see?
No good shirt. Where brand they? Eh? This a brand shirt.
I want me not understand. Look here.
Them a sitting here. Them a sitting here. Man no wear them a sitting here.
Listen, if you thank God for what you get.
Oh, a knife this. Yo, man no wear them.
And Nike can match me slippers, you're lucky see you get it. Hold on for them here. Where you want me to take them? You want me to take them then? Alright, no problem. Make it stay.
My girl, you must say man, when time man tell man to carry my things come give man, and man to carry brand things come give man.
Listen, some of the
say man a punk, you know.
No, don't disrespect man like that. Listen, me not understand my man come and he come get things and he don't check me all now. How comes?
But me done the tell us the man no rate you from long time be. Me done show your vibes already. The man, when time the man come link me, him tell me say, are you a last person in my link? That means say you're a last on the list.
Hello, members say bush of ears, so I know you call me B. You get what me I say?
You're a school number, man. The man done show me a vibes already, man. And I see when time I drop off this, me think say me I go get all my classic right now. And like, yo, star, yo. I fling man for fling with them here, you know.
Fling me what? A good things you get.
Things what?
Thank God.
Thank God for what?
Enough of them there.
I say no. I never know which part him there right now, you know. But like I mean, I'm look at vibes, you know. We're gonna do something real quick and forward.
What you talk about?
I'm going to look at things quick upstairs and before.
Hey, look here, listen. If you never mentioned some my man reach here, maybe that would have gone. But as I say, in reach here now, me not go do it. You get what me I say? Me I go wash this and put it down. So when time in come, might as well me go do something now and then you go find out. Me not do it. Me not do it, me sorry.
Fast, no trouble.
Quick fast what? Me wash it and put it down already. Me I go up there, go wash it again and turn it down. So when time my man come, he get all the good stuff. So later, go on.
So I'm getting all like good.
Listen now, when time I never there, you there get it. So why your problem?
So you might get that and not this me get. Yo, look
This
man,
man, you come and go like a front feelings I want to come carry.
later, yeah, man.
Great. Baby.
Hello.
Oh my God. Oh, you.
So
Huh?
me there, you know, say me happy, but me vexed at the same time.
How come?
How you come all along and I know you just a come look for me?
Nobody vexation business, man. They don't know anything already.
Well, they tell me say I want surprise still and
See them.
well, me say so just come in and make we have a nice time. Me clean up and everything.
Hungry.
And me also did cooking. I've mentioned hungry.
No hungry, babe.
Let's go.
Boss. Hold on. We are there so early.
You know them boss you know say one little thing me have to come tell you.
Right, so. What you have to tell me now?
Bossy, the other day when time me and Papa in the meat room, so we done pack up the color and everything, you know. The man who walked with one whole case of chicken in the bossy. I said I couldn't believe it in the bossy. I tell him, I say, oh, what you do? You can't move bossy thing them with them. I say, oh, sure enough, bossy, the man move with it. I say, oh, Mr. John, I say, I have to come tell you, bossy.
Oh, so you tell me how my deal with and you inform on him.
No, and in fact, bossy, but the man should have never do something like that, bossy.
All right, let me ask you a question.
Eh.
You didn't know what say man people did?
Yeah, when I auntie, yeah, man, when you know so when I auntie thing.
And did you know
In
that him asked me for that chicken? You didn't know that?
it.
Eh. You know what he asked for? And listen to me. I hear what you think. Him have the common decency. To ask me for the chicken.
Ask you.
Yeah.
Oh,
But what me
alright.
want, listen to me. What me want to ask you now, you're there so long enough. See him? And look up yourself. What you see? Camera. Everything that goes on in here, I see. See him? And I tell you, say, the man asked me the chicken, but you thief. A bag and a half of chicken. Listen, right now if you post that in a problem, because them ever see a man lift up 1.5 bag of chicken and a habit on record. So what do you think happen now? Yes?
So what you bossy?
Watch your what?
What you know, the bossy have to go on someone, you ever know? You see because he tell me say oh I'm anti-sting. And I never watch it now. I never did really want to make it look bad. I couldn't afford it at the time. So what I did do is I go take it and then I come tell you. You see now, so because it's because him talk to you before, so I talk to you after. So I go tell you right after I done tell you that.
Oh, so you take it good and then you go pay your feet. Without nobody know. So if we never catch him, we say nothing.
I no
And you
catch
come
him, bossy.
inform about him. Yeah man, listen to me.
Them did not work.
Listen to me. Is either two things, you know. I going to call the police. Alright, listen to me. Make your option. Or you're going to leave here without pay and pretend like you never work here. You prefer go to prison or you prefer leave here and make it, just call it a day there, so. And no matter of fact, I'm not going to fire. You out here. Leave. Leave my premises.
Bossy, I real thing in a bar, my bar, I'm going to pay feet in a bossy.
You listening to me? You taking the deal? Is either jailhouse or you leave. Boss man, you're fired. You're fired. Fired. Come out of my place. Leave.
One
I
day,
cannot trust you. Look here, you still have a whole argument with me. Go on, man. You damn thief, man. What me hire?
yo, Popeye,
I know who me think about it.
Popeye,
I know who me think about it.
forward man.
You really have your heart. You
Yeah,
really,
yeah,
no, really. Really and truly. You really have your heart to come on me heart.
I mean by my that you make bossy fireman, you know?
Me make bossy fire you.
What you mean then you go tell the man to me take up the something, brother?
You want to know how bossy really know? Me can't be just say you're cold hearted.
With
You
what?
go tell bossy say I'm me thief a bag and a half chicken. For my family, where my auntie, where bury.
No.
You? Me see you and bossy show me on the camera. You I struggle with it. Me don't know how you're good. And you don't give me that even two chicken out of the bag.
No, but watch you know. big man thing. Me take it up for gear, you know. Me take it up and say, are you me really I go give, you know.
When?
And I tell bossy, you know, say, are you me really carry for me, me
You
I take it
tell
up for gear,
boss,
you know.
say, I mean, you can
Yeah,
go
man,
get.
you really, you me watch out because me here say you did a struggle with the funeral. And me never want to put the burden upon you, so me say me that help out. But when time the chicken reach at me yard, it's like, no, me never, them, boy.
No, let me tell you, let me ask you a
Me
question.
still can't help the grave still.
That grave that take long time, you know.
Eh, never remember.
And my auntie buried already, you know.
What you say?
So you see the chicken the way me see I struggle with on the camera, me say me shed the living guy water, me I say, look at my bridge me always I come check me.
Watch
That
it.
even the wing after the 15 chicken. You know, so one bag of chicken at 10 come in there.
But hear me I say no, man.
Hmm? And you go with 15 chicken and look at me and give me that one wing off of the chicken.
But so no more liquor left in there. Cause, you know,
Where?
we can't talk about them foolishness, brother. I'm tell you. Them something they gone already, man. And you say anti-berry already. And me did have a one suit still, me did want to wear, you know.
Eh?
But here, what? And because the boy never come with the things the moment we wear called the
Me
funeral,
never like that boy, you man. You tell lie for me and me see, me witness you. Take up 2 pounds of flour and you put in your trousers and you come out and boss not see it for the camera.
So wait, are you a CCTV camera? Where you watch, man, sir?
Me see, as much as you might do there, me I see you here.
You must say no, man.
I two me not want to tell boss if you put camera the same. Cause to me always on my phone.
But you get, me not work there no more. Watch on man, bossy lose one of the best work of them. So that's all that never face me. And that me I make you know.
I raise a pay for me. Yeah, raise a
My
pay.
recipe?
Yeah man, raise a pay. You know. We don't do the argument now, you know. Cause we notice something about you right you know. If you have a pair of friends overseas, right? And you tell like for me, say me thief bossy chicken,
Never saw.
right? And something good will come my way. To me, you're more than the world biggest hater right now.
Yeah.
Me don't know how. As a matter of fact, me don't really want no more friend with you, you know. God no. You better go.
Really, brother? I mean, your best bread.
Come fluff.
Watch on, man. I mean, your best bread. You know what I mean?
Best
I mean,
bridges.
defend it.
You know that the man before me. And you sleep with the man and woman and you tell me, say, people, go on. Me no want you sleep with my woman. Go on.
Me not.
Go on. Go on. Just go on, man.
Alright.
To the left, yeah.
We link.
No, we not link. There's no link. And me I tell you, say, me block and delete you. Don't call me. Oh,
I'm also.
Wow. A lot of going?
Yeah. So, babe, me can ask you a question.
Well, before I ask you a question, yo, I saw me stay off of social media, you know. Can't bother with so much notification and then
I will
I see
leave.
a whole long ahead and this and that. But you know, leave it up to you, Bill, because you know, you need when I'm not here, you need something to kind of keep your attention and all them something like.
For real.
You know what I mean?
So, me ask you a question. So, now that overseas and your work, how you feel? Like, you enjoy doing a job where you do over there?
Of course, guys, you know, say we make money can pay the bills them and so forth, cause we live in a one time now where working in Jamaica can really make you can have a comfortable life like that. You understand? You have to work for that me don't
That's
want to live
true.
a farm. So me personally would I want to do me I just want to work the money, come out and come
Come
spend
back,
it. I best
yeah.
with that. And so right now, even though things, like everything I get expensive,
Mm-hmm.
you know what I mean? Sometimes I want to shop a fire and send out viral, but yeah, you better we just do the same thing like that. Take a
Makes
little time and go
sense.
through. Just me and you. You
That's right.
understand? So when you plan to do that,
Well, I did want to do it in a week, but I'm not sure yet. I don't know.
babe, anything you want, I have everything.
From your reach, I want to look at date when I go pan.
No, you know why? Because we have to do some work and all them something. But we have it all planned. You
Okay.
know what I mean, babe? Everything always synchronized in such a way where it work out and you're always happy. Right?
That's right.
Right?
Right.
Oh my god. That we are talking about. Different still. Today's gonna be a little bit, I'm gonna be a little bit busy, but I'm gonna find time to link up here. And,
Oh.
maybe come pick you up or stuff out.
So you go with your mother today?
No man. I think she have some function she have to what she have to attend to.
Oh.
Alright. Sorry, I'm gonna peep. I'm soon come here, babe.
Alright. Come on, tell you so now. Hello.
No, babes. I'm gonna call your phone all long and you not answer your phone.
Listen, Kemar, the year no, you can't just call just like that. And in Ghana bathroom, if you come back to talk fast.
But I want to come over, come look for your babes. I want to see you.
How if you come over and in the year?
Oh, so you not go up on the road?
Me no know, no, me not think so. In summer race.
Babes, I want to see you. I'm missing you.
Alright. Me can't do that. Me can't go look for you. You can't come look for me, trust me. If I want me come look for you, me do that. Me try and do something.
Yeah, man. Meet me on the road. Meet me on a place, on the spot.
Alright, pa first spot.
Yeah, on a local spot that we normally link up.
Alright, hang up now because I don't think I'll catch me.
I miss you, babe.
Alright, you miss it too. Send the car when I did there.
Yeah, so we need some tea and babe.
Babe, you know, say me I go up on the road because my sister just called me.
Alright, go on.
She said me to go look for her. Me and her go somewhere.
Go on.
So,
Yeah, I'm gonna just relax yourself a bit, yeah.
alright then.
Hello.
Huh?
Just be careful on the road.
I will.
Don't want a man looking too
Yep.
much when you're sexy.
Me can't
The black man today.
basically, I never really hit me there where I go up on the road, but me have to just swerve and go somewhere just weird. Bye.
Alright, man. Listen.
Alright, later. What?
Take so long.
You mean I'm text so long?
Okay, no man. Come call how much time I call your phone and text you and all these things and you not answer.
Listen, remember say you can't do that. I figure say come out here. You can't do that.
Business about Kemar, no man.
You have to business because if you catch you now, you know that go already.
Man, I'm stressing a bit. I want to see you, man, because I lose all my work, you know.
What? You lose your work?
Lose my work, man. The boy, papa, you not tell lie for me, man. So me thief things and I am a thief, do thieving.
So what kind of style that you know explain and then I run camera, then I camera your workplace?
Yo, them say the camera never did that work, you know.
So they might believe Papa you over you.
So that me tell you say, yo, star, be a foolishness I go on in a place B. I'm gonna tell you one person want to come talk to and come give me a little comfort, you know. Release a little stress. You that's how I come link you, man. I'm lonely, I want some wife, come help me relieve some stress, yo.
Listen, me can't do this. I figure say camera they here, me cannot do that.
Yo, stop talking about them
Look
man,
here,
man.
if
The
he
man
never
not rate you, man.
listen what me have to say. If he never there here, that could have gone, but in the here now me can't do that.
So what me for do?
You mean what you fido? Just go and chill. One clutch man.
One clutch, yo, man, yo, more on time, yo.
If you
Can't
want
do this.
you want time for do what?
I want some time with you, man, to get close to you and thing.
Listen. I this you call me out of, right? You say if this you call me out of and this I want to talk about, you can just cut it right here so because me need to go up to my man.
So
Me
on to
no
my
want to
time.
look here, me no want not look suspicious.
So on to my time
Your
then.
time I went time in gone overseas, but in there no your time no. Not your time no. Your time when in gone overseas.
Yo, the man ain't enough for you get so much time in a B.
Hey, in hardly get time. Only time in get time I when in there here and in there here no so film time.
Yo,
You know me I
nigga.
can't go up here man. Come go away.
So your style thing.
Me not style anything, me just make you know. Me not grow no corners with
So
you.
you tell me say you just come and so you come spend 5 minutes with me and cut.
You need to reach 5 minutes.
Yo.
Me never really come to spend no time. Me just like on hear what you say.
Alright, man, everything, Chris. Do your thing, man.
Go and pick up yourself later if you can't get out. Come on, just sing here then so okay what we
Do
need
your
to go.
thing, man.
Alright then later.
Yeah, man. Think I saw this thing I go go. One way or the other, I must get you, you know. That me I tell you.
Walk on, brother.
Oh man, oh man, oh, come here, come here.
Walk on. You see new fit? Walk on, brother.
Where you get this from?
So where you going, so?
Where you doing at this?
Where
Where you doing at this?
Yo, calm down,
Yo,
brother.
take off my shoes.
Yo,
Take off my shoes. Take off your foot.
brother, want to you,
Take
brother.
off your foot. Take
Brother,
off your
want
foot.
to you.
Take off my sitting them. I mean, yo, take off this man.
Yo, calm down, man.
Take.
Yo, man, that's your
Yo,
shirt.
what do you mean by my material shirt?
Yo,
Feel
your
me?
shirt,
Yo,
brother.
take off
Yo,
this
calm
man.
down, man.
Yo, take off my shirt. We are doing my clothes.
Yo.
Bad mind, you see it. If you
Yo,
never see man, if you never see man thing, who don't come put on man sitting. I'm for me own. I don't feel. Where you put on me sitting for? Take off my shoes, man. See the motherfucker.
Brother, where you body shirt for? Brother,
No, I put on my clothes. Oh, put on me sitting them.
you're so bad, man.
Who bad man? Are you bad man? You see me sitting prong in there, so where you put your hand for? Yo, take off my shoes, my youth. Yo, take off this off of your foot. Take it off of your foot, man. Take it off of your foot. Take it off. Take off me sitting them, man. Where me sitting them for? You came. Sure. Yo, don't put on me sitting them, man. We're not on the bad man already, I saw. I feel. I don't fear, you know. I see me sitting prong on the left man things, no dog. What that trouble me sitting for? What that trouble it for? Me give you nothing. Yo, look here, no, man. Yo, look here, yo.
What is your problem?
Mommy, you see me pro man sitting and a man them things and a weird man things them. I'm never giving them, you know.
Hold on there. Hold on. Because you act like you want to eat me and eat him. Nobody with it. None of with today. You are going like a too much hooligan. I know your brother. What kind of excitement you out to create for the neighbor them ears so your brother they wear your clothes? What is your problem, Rupert?
I wear my clocks.
Rupert. Now you will see when they act like you don't want them. And they act ungrateful. People give you things and you act like you don't want it. Somebody else go take it. A matter of fact, your brother. And me give them to him because you don't need them. You're too bossy. Poor and bossy. Somebody can sitting for you from friend. And you not even say thank you. All when me never did it. The way you behave, me know say not even thank you, you not say. Eh? That mean that you throw them down on the veranda. Me have enough of you and your bad mind and grateful dirty self. You're too corrupt. You're full of too much corruption against your brother and everybody else. All your friends them a talk about you, you're corrupt. You know what? Me have it up to you, so. Guess what? You go take your things them and me now. Pack them up and come out of my place. Because me and you and your brother now go stay in my house to behave. So with him, it's like him a stranger. And even if him a stranger, you not deal with people so. You are too tough for rock stone heart you have. You need to melt up your heart. You're too wicked and cruel. Look how much money me spend for you. The two are two different papa. You know how much time him give me money. And me take you buy clothes give you. Me I wonder if they swap you in the hospital. Right now, me not sure if you are my child. A matter of fact, you're old enough. A time for you go up on your own. You stress me out. What you mean?
Me no want to come on, mommy. Just I feel me sitting there, mommy, and I mean, you never put on me sitting there, mommy.
Are your brother?
No, mommy, man, a bad mind sitting that, mommy, man. Ready, you know, if you wear me things, them.
Your things, them, you're going like a one your underpants him put on.
So, someone could just take up my things and just wear my things like I can't feel me. I feel me sitting there, you know. You know, man, you gotta rub me out the house and I feel me sitting. Yo, Kemar. I'm here, man. You know, man, vice already, my youth. Man, you from your father, they just locked down in a place, sir.
What's up, man?
You actually, the man, all that twat brother, you just go up, man.
Yo, you have to speak properly, you know what I mean? When
Yeah,
you work, you have to have a proper... Who are you?
There, man, you don't know the thing, go. So, me I come give you one circle, you know? Because, you know, let me down certain way, you know?
Yes, that's what you mean.
You don't know my youth, I'm a brother in my youth, how far where I come from, you know, a virgin from longer time, and I know, say, yo, you don't know, so I have your back from morning, so I know, say, you go put me up, because I lose my work, you know, and my mother kick me out of the house, so I say, I have to come link you, is it?
Your mother kick you out of the house?
Yeah, man.
Bro, wait now. Bro, what now?
Yo, them woman there don't know them people. I go through them stages already, you know, brother. Like
You never seen for amazement.
80s and them a lose it, is me. So can't bother with them stress, brother. Somebody say, yo, just leave her to our place and just know somebody can come kick it back with you, is it?
I understand that still don't know a thing go. It is what it is. Me not ever ask you what happened at this point. You know what I mean? But you don't know. So if you stay so with me, I will stay on the couch. Cause you don't know for me. What and then for my girl, I might have to talk to her and see if she okay with the
Nah, man,
situation.
I have to talk to her, man. I want to tell you, man, everything, Chris, man. Brittany not gonna say no, brother.
What you mean? So
She good like that, man. She not gonna say no, man.
well, I choose. Whatever that they say, that they say.
Yeah, man, so I mean, I have food up there. I never have to ask that. I mean, my fridge always full of food, no, brother.
Yo, come in, man. Roll it, roll it.
Tea, man. No. Really? Yeah, I gotta take off your one.
Brother, take our shoes, bro.
Alright.
Remember your place stay, not true?
Yeah,
Ah,
yeah.
you want, just wait just a little bit. Me talk to her, cause even though, we know she stay.
Do your thing, man. Do your thing. Do your thing.
Yes, stay?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright. Maybe.
Hi, babe. What's up?
I always love how you fold my clothes, man. For one thing.
I buy a lot of new shirt, though.
Yeah, man. I know I go already have to
Really,
dress proper in a business place and so forth.
I'm really glad to see you come back still because I really miss you.
I miss you. Can I hear of you?
Mm?
Remember Rupert?
Yeah, your best friend?
Yeah, man, Rupert, Rupert, but
What happened to him?
it's like, he must say to me, say, you want to come spend some time a little bit.
Spend time.
Yeah, because you know one situation. Rupert, he must have him, I don't really question certain things. That was my friend that, and our bridging, and I
So,
was helping him one certain way.
let me ask you a question.
Mm-hmm.
If more come here can spend some time, how long am I going to take?
Rupert always bounce back, man. So, I'm not going to say, boy, like a month or a week or so, but I'm going there for a little bit and that's it. But I just really want to ask you and tell you because, ask you and tell you at the same time because I mean, we're not going to say no, babe.
I'm not really sure about it, but it's because you're best friend and me try accept the fact that anything to make you happy, I gonna make me happy. So I guess
Good?
yeah, you can make it.
Can we can come? Alright,
Yeah.
thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so in downstairs now.
You never tell me that. And the place looks so.
Yeah, man, don't worry. Rupert good, man. Rupert having, no eyes for certain things, yeah?
Well, I guess.
And that's why I feel look here, see? That's every man for having a woman as a best friend.
That's right.
You understand?
So you're gonna make me stay outside and wait?
Yeah, we're making forward and stay like coach.
Alright then.
Alright, then.
Yeah.
Well, good news. Good news.
She not say no, brother.
Yeah, what you say, man? Yeah, man, come say, man, you have some. So Brittany really drink off the Yo, boy, I mean, I tell you. Is that right, brother? Just come get second. Come here.
Yeah, man.
See?
Oh, my God.
Excuse.
I'm sorry, making on touch my own chair.
Listen. Me tell us we can't do this because my boyfriend is here, right? Me tell us when you come back a different something. Me nah do this.
What for change?
When me want to change in the here, in the here, I'm in love with him, I'm not gonna do this. Me might be behind him back, but in front of him face and anything, yeah, me not do it.
I don't love you, baby. I really love you.
If he never love me, he would have run off, leave me, but yet he come back to me.
I feel my fi come back. You really know how
Listen, me not do it. And me think this overall need to stop, like, me and you need to cut off completely.
stop.
Completely, me no want have nothing to do with you, me no want have nothing to do with me.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
So be the case, I do it then. Go on.
See you.
You know what? You know, say come to think of it though. Me never know say I said it stay. Me never know say I said this. You see, if me did know, me wanna put myself in this situation with you. Imagine your best friend and me and him there. And me give a little chance for the two we can do something, right? On the side. And you go to your best friend, go tell him not to break his heart. That's simple meaning like care about your best friend feeling.
So about me.
You mean but what about you? Listen, dirty style that you get me. You get a one chance, you just work with him. You tell us say me now go work out between the both of you, just accept that. You don't get what if you get from me already, what more you want. Me now go do it. So if I want to go in there, go tell him I go on in there, go tell him. You want to go in there, not true? And before I go in there, let me remind you. Let me remind you, can you know about this? Let me tell you something. If you know about my family, them from flanker, that a blow, just ramp with me. And you still want to go on. Your life done. So I feel like say I make a step going there to go tell him, me say, don't come and laugh.
No, man.
I'm not joke thing me there on.
Wait, that's cool, man. I look at joke, man. I don't know when I can't go. I look at joke.
Joke.
Yeah,
Me not run them joke there. Me tell you that straight.
just cool, man. You near Britain, man.
One phone call me make everything done for you. So I feel like I want to go in this, I can open it up if you're going there too, you know.
No, man. Go and go use the bathroom, man. Everything, Chris. Man, sorry.
Everything after Christmas, let me tell you this too. Let me tell you, let me adjust you the right way, straight. Listen, you see how when time in gone, me not nothing to do with you. This done. Done. It done. Between me and you, done. And if I feel like say you want to go to him, remember what me tell you.
I look at joke, me Lauren Britain, man. That's cool.
I fi joke you make.
That's cool.
I fi joke. Crazy.
Bombard,
Yeah,
bombard,
deal with
general.
you. But yeah,
Finger.
man, a long time I don't see you.
You know some man there, you know, my G. You know some man like a down so, you know.
Because you know, say, I just make for accept, because other day I go down there around couple times, well, you know, to buy some goods and I don't see you down there. So I wonder what go on.
Brother, you know say one papa in farm. Yo, they invite boy papa tell a lie for me, brother. Man go tell the boss say me down there thief and I him down there thief for the man things, brother. If it grieve me, I make me get lose my work, brother. I'm gonna talk for him, you know. I'm gonna do that, you know. Me hold it, you know. And the man go chat, brother, and tell
And
people
you
say,
down there work so long,
brother,
and
me
they
and
set
the
you
man,
up.
yo, me think I did my bridging. And the man, this me dog, and me, yo, me just a hold it still, you know, brother.
So yo, you know, I'm mash up Popeye for you, because from his style, and you know, we have to do your work.
No, man, no, man. And you know that serious. You know that serious.
Yeah,
You know
sure.
that, no, man. We can't let. Me make him go on, man. You see me? Him there go come. You see me?
Oh.
Them now go prosper, you know. Yeah, man.
What kind of work you do differently, though?
Why you don't know, say, man? I'm just there, you know, man. Nothing now go on, you know.
Right, bro. But watch you know, you don't know if you can afford for my side, man. Or put in some work, man. Can you know me not run joke, you know.
I say, me can't come on foot.
What you mean, man? Anytime, really.
Yo, so what kind of work you do still? What would I need to carry? Like, what?
You know my work already. You know which part to find me. You know, and dialing. Just check me.
So me not to carry nothing?
No, man. You're good, man. Just roll up.
Yeah?
Everything did it well organized up. Yeah, man. Just page me. No,
Come on,
joking.
foot.
Now that me I tell you, man.
So me asking you?
Yo, you know, so I tell you the truth, me nah nothing for me, because machine me going about, me nah get no money from the machine, you see me?
But we can't forward with you and go get something still, you know.
No, me I'll go back in, I'll go back in. Yeah,
So
so when you check me, man, when you check me.
it's a come on foot.
Yeah, man, everything live.
Yo, I'm on you.
Early,
Yeah, man.
early.
Alright, my general. Big up yourself, is it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Big up, big up. Brittany, come on. Brittany, come on. Hello?
Honey.
Yeah, yeah. Good.
Hey, report that.
You know, so I don't know though, I come out here, I don't see him, I don't see him bag. Like him gone, I don't know. I even ask back still, because I hear a friend.
Yeah, but Rupert wouldn't just get up and gone, so.
Me no know. Me come out here. Me no see nobody. Me no see him. Me no see him bag.
I want no food in the fridge where you go, cause him frustrated when you have no food, you know one thing.
No, in there stock up right now. I can't even go look.
I don't understand why Rupert would just cut and gone, so but anyway. Rupert, me will link up with Rupert later, cause me, as me say, he was going through some stuff and him left him, mother and all him something else. So maybe that could have be something when he just want to move. But don't really pay attention to that. So how was the day?
My day was okay so far. I'm just here lie down. There we fine.
So you want to do tonight?
Anything.
You know, want to come in and too tired, because you have to say me too tired and me have this and that, but
I understand that because I you that farmer. I get used to that by now.
but you say you used to it, but you sure you used to it?
Yeah, me used to it by now.
Look, man.
Are you that normally?
But you're sure you used to it, because normally if you say something, later on, they going to cuss me, They going to find some moment to cuss me with everything.
Me don't know, maybe. Although if my cousin just take a cousin and done.
What babe want make you don't want cuss, man? Kinda easy,
Because if you find time for your relationship,
That's true.
I only work alone, you know.
Alright, so tonight, a full night.
Alright then.
When last we drink some nice red wine and just unravel and just let down your hair and all them something.
Long time.
Been a while, Joe?
Long time.
Where do it? Where do it tonight?
Alright.
Yeah?
Just get the red wine in front early because we don't want to go out in the night.
Alright.
So if you want to get them now, it's best for get them now.
That make good.
Or
Yeah.
you
Do me a
get
favor. We have some money up on the places. I mean, if you can get it for me, I can come. Cause the place
in
more,
a room or.
no, right up on the counter, so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, then I go.
Yeah. So I saw that one I did go down, set up there.
Yeah, man, I
I'm
saw
just
it.
connect it back there, so.
So what trying to say, you have a person name this up and the address and things, so just try call her.
Excuse me for a minute. Just give me a minute, please. I'm getting right back to you as soon as possible, okay? Just give me a second. I'm gonna put you on hold. I'm talking to my manager. Wait a second.
Yeah, man, so see her name there and her address.
Okay,
So just tell her say she win a prize or something.
okay.
Yeah, if you can manage what you say, just tell her say you make the manager talk to her.
I'm proud to announce that you are the proud winner of a grand prize. You just won $1 million. How does it feel? Brilliant. I am glad that you're ecstatic. Like, tell me, how does it feel to be a millionaire right now? Hello? Hello? Hello, Miss Baker? Johnny Star.
Or about that, man. We have whole heap more dopey on the line. But watch you know. You know what I say, it's a call me a weird pan.
Yeah?
There's a food to go pick up, you know. So anytime I get the call, I have a money to go pick up. You
Good
see me?
idea,
Go on
man.
do your thing still, man. As me
Yeah,
say,
man,
see
yeah,
name
man.
them, I say, you see me?
All right, man. I call my woman. I'm just link Miss Baker. Yeah, man. Miss Passa good. Hold on, them general. You know, so I never even did really take a step for that. Actually, tell you say, oh, really do appreciate what you do for me, no, my G.
Normal pray that, man. You know it's a
Yo,
man.
my general, yo, a big me in this, you know, my G.
You know it's
Yo,
a
I
fun.
say right now, anything you ask me for doing, my general, I will deal with it, you know. Right now, you know, my G, you know, nothing not too big for me to do for you know. Yo, I came out, yo, the one came out this and violate, man, you know, my general. Yo, I
So
said the
me
man take
done
man.
ask you already, brother, if you want to deal with this thing.
No, what no, what you know, we not take it this, but man, this, me say you don't know, we just cut off them link there, you see me? And then nothing with them link, them man. But this right here, sir, you put me upon game, my general. And the thought the way you make, if the client not pay we, remember me tell you man,
Like
it
down
connect.
St. Mary.
It connect, my G.
Only for you who put a road, man. So you know you go, man. Go
Alright, my
on do your
general,
crime, man.
respect, man. Yeah, man, I hate that.
Hold on, them. The caller reach me.
Yeah?
You know.
Oh, but...
Hello. Where you say reach? Alright, may I forward. Yo, you know, say dog say reach
Hate
and I
that?
collect the food. Yeah, man, just go and run off their number, you remember. Any one of them fail, you know watch that, you just do it right.
Move
So,
on.
here.
Alright.
May I forward.
Mad thing, mad thing. Guidance out there. If the client not pay me.
You see I go on and how everything go.
Why, father, me not lie to you, you know. I try it. I stress all of them. I call every number, you know. And nothing no connect me, G.
I'm gonna tell you if you don't worry about that, brother. A whole heap of time me I press number, you know. I'm gonna get nothing, you know. At times still, you know. Just learn on this.
Still want to do a
You
thing,
know.
you know. What?
Just buy a beer with that, you see me? Oh, go on, everything good.
Then you never say that I go collect a food, my general. This alone you can come give me.
What do you mean if I this alone? Remember saying, you never do no work, you know. You just fought from the office, you know. And my client me make a money from and I still buy a beer out of it, you know. So you move so ungrateful.
One beer.
Yo, better just easy, yeah, man. Cause come like say I move like you not even respect a man other thing you.
I respect the thing.
Yo, a normal pre man, a normal pre. I show man not even give people things and take it back to you know.
I say a word, man. I
Do you
buy a
think,
beer,
man?
man. Yeah, man, I buy a beer. Here. Yeah, man, I mean, man. Watch you know, man. I put your hand on a big bus, you know. You go get 2 stripe off of that one, yeah, you know. Yeah, man. See the one puppy than them. Yeah, man, I be dialing them down there, dialing a general. I want to tell you, say, yo, me down there try get a piece of food with the money, man. A 2 grand, the man look for me and give me, you know. Go on, you know. Yo, Mr. Officer, you up, you know. Right down there to the boy, you know. As I say, just collect a big piece of food a while ago and 2 grand alone him give me out tight. So you don't know, say, you go get a big stripe off of this, and why you give me my reward, you know. Reward. The thing go, yeah, but the man must go want to think, watch you know, man. Can't afford for them thing, you come back to me, you know. Yo, when they talk, when they deal with if deal with, make sure say, oh, them not see me or no see me do it.
Brother, you ever tell me nothing? I'm gonna go back and make nobody know say you. Don't worry about it, man. And watch
Just
out.
say,
Worst comes to worst, to worst, to worst. Witness protection, they both. So, bro, you're good. But Puffy than over there, so him not good. Bro, and even worry about it, you're good, man. You know, remember say me undercover police, you know, so you can't know.
alright,
So, yo, me deal with it, not even move from here, so here.
right as I'm stay.
Stay right, so me deal with it and come back.
Alright, do you think?
Hey, boy, give me a search, now! Get up, get up, get up!
Officer, easy, you know.
Yeah, don't feel clear, give me a packet.
Where do you live, Mr. Wansi?
Brother, give me a phone. What you have in your phone? You're not clear.
Nah, no.
Yo, police, now, now!
Hold on, I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me check.
Search up a phone. You're not in your phone, I'm for know about.
Nah, nothing. Everything good, man.
What is? What kind of number this? You a scammer?
No, man.
Boy, you lie to me, you a scammer.
I don't know.
So what the number you do in your phone?
No, man, I
What
got
kind of work you do?
number them there.
What kind of regular number would be a different area code? Yo, me have to take this stuff. Give me a phone. Oh, what
So,
is?
if you take my money,
What
officer.
is? Where you get so much money from? Yo, me have a look, yo.
Candy.
Hi.
Yeah, what going? Where's son Rupert?
You know how long me not see him? From a run him out, me not see him back again. I can't tell you when the last me see him. How are you? Yanni, my friend?
Yo, you know what's a Rupert do me a thing. I mean, I think me can go forgive him, you know. You
What
get me,
make?
I say?
What cause you make you no can't forgive you no never? Yanni, my friend?
You know what's a Rupert send police for me. You know what? You say you see him. You see him this.
Rob, where you going?
Paragon.
Why you not see me here where you going, Rob? Come to pay me. In a situation like this, there's no way me can tell you, boy, I know how you feel. You understand me? There's no way me can say, boy, hope you overcome this thing, cause pain or something, you have to just go through it. You know what I mean? And them case are terrible, bro. Terrible, terrible, terrible. See now you know other news about investigation if my investigate about the case and so forth.
They say shoot, she get shoot.
Yeah, me say get shot, but me I say them find out who do it.
They don't know how to do it. Honestly, me not even know why somebody would have want to hurt my mother.
Me I say that woman there, she know you know mix up no wrongdoings. Not like I want troublemaker in a certain way.
I know me not even know. From the top of my head just hurt me.
Can't imagine, bro. Me just can't. As me say, there's no way me can explain how you feel, and me can't tell us, boy. I hope you feel better soon, cause this thing, your mother, you talk about, mother, eh? And then how she die now is so crazy. Bullet. She don't deserve them kind of way, there, brother.
Worst part of me alone.
Eh? What you mean you alone?
And me alone have to deal with everything. Me not
So
even have somebody to lean for that and say, my mother gone. And my brother not even care.
I may ask about where you report that? Eh?
Me not know enough.
Where,
From my mother the run him out,
mm.
me not see him. Me would not even be surprised if he not even know. Because she gone.
So hold on. You mean if you tell me, say, you report that about none at all? And Rupert have no idea say man and Japan.
Me not see Rupert for months.
What you say me say?
From my mother run him out, me not see him.
Nah man, this a sound right. This a sound right at all, bro. I one thing me I tell you now, right now, me don't know how you gonna deal with this on your own, but you get through it, man. But you need to find Rupert because even there me
Me
had
don't want to find Rupert, you know. If my mother dead, if few mother dead and he not even would have even come and talk to me. He not business about my mother. Would I not even be surprised if he know and he just don't care. Cause I'm that type of person Rupert be.
yo, listen man, say, see, right now
Me don't want to talk about Rupert, you know. Me honestly don't want to talk about
Rupert
Rupert.
said at my house, I spend 4 or 5 days. Based on the facts that him say, fear mother when in an argument with him and he left and all these things. So me can't believe that Rupert left in such a haste now. And him no come back here yet? Eh? Him no come back home?
The man is selfish. Honestly, me don't want to talk about Rupert. Respect if you call, give me one condolence. But honestly, me don't want to talk about Rupert.
I'm not believing I start. If but I say nothing. But yo, stay strong. Yes sir. I must joke this sir. Brother. Oh you just cut sir.
Man.
Brother, far where you come from, you know? You explain to me what going on with the modern rate and you forward in. Me know if you know say just abracadabra no me say no yo.
Brother, but them there underneath your roof, brother man did feel like man a stifle general.
Eh?
When you sleep on all your couch and me I tell you say, oh, a whole heap of time we wake up a bare back problem. Couldn't live underneath them regime there, brother. I'm tell you man have to move out, you see it?
So make it sound so.
How you mean?
Brother, so me and my woman in the room, how you wanna come sleep in the room with me? So what you expect me to do? Eh? Move over or make you come sleep beside me and my woman in the
I
room?
could have buy one earbed, brother, and make me sleep side of the on the floor side of this, brother.
Listen to your
Everything
sound.
look away, man. I go run, brother. Right now, I greener pastures. Right now, me a flourish. Thing a blossom. So the best thing this ever. May I tell you, blessing in disguise, yeah, man.
When a person show you who they are, if you really believe them,
Sure. Serious sentiments that you know. Cause I see all when time you did gone, and you never there about. And me, they take care of Britney, you know.
like what? If you buy her food and what?
Well, Britney did need and in need of anything, and me did I deal with it, you see me?
What you talk about in need of anything?
Alright, well, if you never know, I did not sleep on the bed the way you come back and man sleep on. So no matter things say you the hype and bigger than me. Because I did still out there in the shoes too.
Well,
I just because I know the
wait.
pan where you the pan is it.
Rupert, female woman you cheat with, pan? You Rupert sleep with female woman? And you look like you have no remorse, like in a... Brother.
Man, she did there with in the first place, but I don't know if you can lead that too. I don't know.
At this, so I say you treat a friend, the person will help you out when you're down. You come sort out my woman and hold her down. Oh, you hate me so, brother. Brother, right now I feel like someone and fist out your face. Thump in your mouth and bust out the teeth them. May I tell you that?
One thing about it, man.
Think about it. Brother, you know my powers, you know. You know what I'm going to... That's why I choose to stay off the street certain way. I mean, brother, yeah, you might look thicker than me, but you ever see a rat rider fight yet? You see you? Best man left out your presence right now. Because you are what you are, and you will always be what you're destined to be. Your mother dead, they not even know about it.
Where's a while ago? What you mean? Where's the happened to mother?
Babe, what's up?
Yeah. I don't understand how you can even have the courage to call me babe.
What you
What
mean?
you say what I mean by that?
So me, you know, them me can't call her babe.
Alright, you see? The worst kind of people in this world are people that give accountability for who they are and what they stand for. And you have some people called givers and takers. And I guess you so giving and so willing to share everything.
Me no understand. Explain to me because me no know what you talk about.
You don't even know how to put this to you, but I'm going to put it straight. You cheat for me, girl. You
Me a
cheat
cheat
for
for
me.
you?
What do you mean say if you cheat? Eh? My version was left the yard abruptly. You know,
Who tell her that?
it's obvious that it's not a mistake. Come here, walk, come here, hope says a mistake or something we can fix. Out of all the persons then.
Alright, just listen. Look here, me a come clean to you, right? Listen. You see, when I did the overseas, right?
Yeah.
Robert, he did a text me and he been a come here, come look for me. And me I push up myself or anything. He might the person who text me first. He text me and me just continue texting because I did need company because he did gone.
You need company, that's true. Can't.
Just listen what me I say now. I know me the problem of him.
Let me tell you something. You know what? You know one of the most essential person for one football field is who? The goalkeeper. And if you are keep your goal and make all kind of ball and roll through for your goal, you're insignificant.
But sometimes the goalkeeper they can't control the ball.
And that is you. You can't control the ball. And the ball keep rolling. And how much time is happening? You said me gonna find. Me gonna find for a good time. How much time is happening?
I never want to stay, but end up and stay.
No, but you know.
And listen up, time I come out of the room, I say I got the bathroom and I come out of the bathroom. He asked if we could do something. And I tell him no.
You know,
Since they're here, he asked me if me and him can do something. And I tell him no. So all of that me cut off. All right, I tell him say I'm not in nothing with him again. Me break off everything with him.
Alright,
just believe me, please.
Believe me, I'm here, but just think about it. Put yourself in my shoes. Me go walk out of the house because I really feel like to do something what me no really want to do. And that is out of my boundary. So by the time I walk and clear my head, come out of your sucker, eat this. Me can't you could have killed me in my sleep. Because you're acting like nothing happened. That me I tell you.
Babe, just listen up, please.
Come on, babes.
I'm sorry.
Bro, I want me here, go on. Talk to me, no brother, bro. Come to mommy, where mommy there?
You really have a heart to really ask me that.
Me don't want to know. Talk to me now.
Brother, mommy dead.
Jesus.
Say I tell me so you just a find out so we mother dead?
No, I never know. Mommy, what happened to mommy? What you say happened to mommy?
Brother, mommy get shot.
What mean by that? How was shot mommy?
Brother, don't shot mommy, you know. I swear to God.
Brother, my fault, you know.
Maybe not for your fault.
No, I just one bag of something just happen.
Maybe not for your fault.
One bag of something
Maybe
happen.
not for your fault. How you know
One bag
something?
of something happen, I don't know, brother. I don't know. It's like, it's
Where
like,
you do? Where you do? Where you do? Brother,
I don't know, I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it. I just feel like I'm my fault. I feel like I'm my fault.
fix it, there's nothing to fix. Brother, right now, I don't even want them beside you right now. No. I don't want to hear, I don't want to hear you
I'm
cry.
sorry, I'm
I
sorry.
don't want no sorry for you. Because when I need somebody from there with me, nobody never there. And from me young, you never treat me like me and your brother. So honestly, who out of me yard?
Really, bro?
Who out of me yard? When you need there, I need see you yard, but we run you out. I never care about her. And for you left you that if you call look for her, you never see if she alright. So just take time walk.
Really, bro? So my friend really leave?
Brother, who out of me yard?
I'm gonna fix it.
Because when I need somebody in my life, for there, nobody never there. I don't want nobody. So just take time walk.
Mama, I really never did understand what you say until it's too late. I wish we did have more time to actually really acknowledge and give thanks for what you did say to me. But just as see it, you know. But just as see which part I go wrong, but just as see my mistakes, but just as see my flaws them. And I know I want to tell you thanks and ask if you help guide me. And you're not even there for that. I'm not even there when you needed me most. Mama, I really regret all of the bad things I do to the people and Mama don't know about, you know. I say some really bad things. I do some really bad things in my life, Mama. I wish I could have take it back. But my uncle hopes I can live with this regret, yeah. Because I don't look like them to forgive me at all. But me, I hope you, please, forgive me. Forgive me, please. I beg you. All right, so if you're hearing the sound of my voice, it simply means that you watch the video to the end. So thank you very much for watching, as always, and showing support. Remember, share the video up to your family and friends. You can share it up on your WhatsApp status, you can share it up on your Facebook, and you just can just spread the word, you know what I say, because we've been to do some good work over here, but the only way the video them can reach their fullest potential if you guys do your part. You don't have to simply mean say, you don't have money for give Richard Brown Films. It simply means that you have vested interest in Richard Brown Films and you want to see it go far. So just do the right thing, then, man. You don't must have money for give me, but it simply means that if you just share the video up, that means a whole lot. All right, so let's touch on the other topic, which is if you are a female from anywhere from 18 to upward and you're interested in acting, you know, people always tell us you have a special gift, which is acting, and you don't have nowhere or no one for help to develop a talent there and put it out. Link me up, man, Richard Brown Films on Instagram or richardbrownfilms@gmail.com. Once you link me up, then we can make some arrangement and you'll be a part of the thing. Because we always look good
new females who want to do acting, you know what I say? So we're always in the hunt. So if you are interested, link me up. We just in the hurricane season, we're not out of it yet. We just have Beryl pass through Jamaica and it do a whole heap of damage. Thank God, which part me live never really get much damage, only the utility poles them and thing, and a few people lose them house up and thing, but me personally, nothing ever really happened to me. Me personally just get back electricity, and we still are trying to get things together because majority of the places them still don't have power. One of the things that I said to myself, say, we want to definitely put in place is either a generator or some form of solar power. So therefore, whether rain or shine, we still can weather the storm and put out content, because it's kind of difficult for we if we can't really have the things that we need to get things done. So that's one of the things we have to go do. And we're not going to use this experience with the hurricane to tell people, say, yo, we are begging on nothing or send this and that, come give it. But I always say, if you are a subscriber and you can afford to contribute towards what we are doing, link we up, man. We appreciate it. The funds where you send come, we will take for put in our we are doing, whether it be buy food for feed the people them who we are shoot with, or just for help push forward what we are to forget it better on a daily basis. So big up on yourself. Thank you as always for always subscribe. And if you are watching and you're there abroad, remember, so a whole heap of people get damaged in Jamaica. So you can reach out to the family members and reach out to some people and help. You know what I mean? I say, especially St. Elizabeth where get damaged bad and people really are going to need to get back their life on track. Reach out, man, and help. You don't know what I say? One to each other, help. Big up on yourself as always and continue to watch. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know what I say? He has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know what I say? It's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use make the capsule them, and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you're 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're going to need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, I'm talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up. Same Instagram handle there. So you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic.